Just thought I'd take and show you some of the damage that was done to this block. I can reach right into this sight glass here, grab right hold of this rod. I think I can work it right out of there. Yep, work that right out of there. Look at that. She got pretty violent in there. Something got real pissed off inside there. Right here's the other one sticking out the hole. I'm not going to get that one out. No. That's a pretty good size hole there. Yeah. Things got pretty violent inside of that case. I didn't see this until after we got it out, but we had a third one that went and poked itself out. They had them a regular square dance up inside there. But no, we got the other engine around. We're getting ready to stuff her in, and I'll give you a start up and a run on her. I'm expecting it to be pretty nice. So, y'all have a great evening. We'll take and see you around, and y'all be safe out there. Thank you. Bye.